Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Ask Dr. Jack show. It's a special edition for Valentine's Day.
Yay, happy Valentine's Day.
But special edition, we're going to bring the subject, instead of a question, we're going to bring it to dark chocolate and how amazing that substance is because it's Valentine's Day.
And everybody gets lots of chocolate for Valentine's Day. So.
Right. Okay, so now the chocolate that we're talking about is the dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. So be careful. We're not talking about the milk chocolate that you get, cheap and
Just make sure to
whatever.
read the ingredients very carefully because
Yeah.
they put a lot of things in food. So.
Yeah, so, all right. So there's some really good benefits to dark chocolate.
One of them is dark chocolate is a great source of antioxidants
It-
and helps to protect your body from damage.
That is absolutely true. Basically, what does that mean? It means that the components of dark chocolate help stop oxidation in the cells. So it keeps them from aging. All right. The next thing, it improves brain health. There have been a few studies out there that have showed that it improves your mood and improves your energy and all kinds of things. So it's a really healthful food when it comes to that.
They also did some research that found that after eating dark chocolate, your T cell count went up. So that's good for your immune system.
There you go. The next one is it increases your insulin sensitivity. So a lot of big words in there. Basically what happens is that when you eat something that breaks down into sugar, so carbohydrates, your body secretes insulin, which basically tells the muscle cells to bring in some of those glucose molecules into their cells. And the more responsive those muscle cells are, first of all, it's going to bring down your blood glucose levels quicker, but it's also what we call increased insulin sensitivity. In other words, the muscles are more sensitive to the insulin. They're actually doing what it says. Now, one of the big things that we're finding in obesity in our country is that it has such a low, people, they get to a certain point where they have a really low sensitivity to insulin. In other words, it takes 4 to 5 times as much insulin to get the blood glucose levels down. And so yes, it does do sugar, but it also does a lot of other crazy things. So you don't want that much insulin going down in your body. So basically what dark chocolate does is it helps reduce the amount of insulin that we need to have in our bodies.
And then the last one is it is known as the queen of natural aphrodisiacs. So.
Which is
There
a
you
really
have it.
important thing. There's basically substances in dark chocolate that your body naturally produces that are around arousal and things like that. So really, really awesome stuff. So basically, the next question is, how are people going to enjoy dark chocolate?
I don't know, you tell me.
Okay, so the first thing is, we've already talked about dark chocolate candy bar, 70% or higher of the CaCao, cocoa, is really important. You can also get cocoa nubs, in other words, basically the bean of the cocoa plant. And you can put this like in a trail mix, or basically just eat it straight or mix it in with dessert. You can grind it down and mix it up with things. So that's another way. And then another thing is you can take the raw powder and put it in milk, so it's kind of like the formation of milk chocolate or of hot chocolate. But you're going to need some sweetener, so don't use sugar, don't use corn syrup. Use some either honey or coconut sugar. 2 excellent ways to very healthfully bring the sweetness of the hot chocolate to the hot chocolate.
I like sweetening stuff with honey.
Yeah.
Works.
So anyway, I really hope that you have an amazing Valentine's Day today. It should be a lot of fun for a lot of people. And just remember, if you're giving a gift of chocolate, make it dark, because it's going to be not only bring them the sentiment of the love, but also it's going to give them the gift of health. And we are also running our little gift of health promotion going on right now. So if you have a friend or a relative that is in need of some care, they can call up next week, mention our gift of health promotion, and they can get the entire exam and consultation at no charge. So, please pass that on. Share this video with people that would be interested in this topic or that might need some help, and then they can take advantage of our offer.
All right.
All right. Happy Valentine's Day,
Valentine's Day.
Omaha, and stay
Stay
healthy,
healthy.
Omaha.